taking the wheel off the home ones. This time we're not going to smash my hand. Yeah.
Here we've got our aftermarket brakes. 9-inch single piston Beretta brakes. Should help me stop a lot better than what the factory ones would have. Everything under here is pretty clean. See, all this stuff's been powder coated, repainted. But we do have some surface rust under here, so that's going to be addressed so that doesn't become a problem anytime soon. We're looking pretty good under here.
Alright, so I'm actually going to teach him how to do this. That way, you know, we got to teach the younger generation how to do this stuff. Otherwise, we'll have a bunch of people who don't know how to do anything and drive Teslas that are under warranty. So we're gonna. Luckily, everything is loose. I don't even think that tie rod's popped in there. But if you was to do it from like nothing, you would take that nut off. You put your pickle fork in there. Do it. So now, what you're going to want to do is get this. I'd say turn it in. So you'll want to turn that. You'll want to hold that till it looks level. Just turn this in like this until it fits down in this hole. And that's just the jam nut, so don't worry about that. That's probably a little too much. So that don't look too bad. Definitely better. Problem is when you let it down, it's gonna move on that strut because you got a strut mount up here. So your strut's mounted up here, kind of where it pivots, and then you got your lower ball joint. This is your tie rod. Most cars do not have adjustment in the rear like this. This is a weird design GM used on the Fiero. The 88s did not have this setup. So
they had Lotus suspension.
Yeah, they got the 88 right, and then they quit making them. So that's definitely better, I'd say.
There we go.
There you go. Yep. Is the car not up high enough? Pull on the bottom of it.
There we go.
We're gonna have to jack it up a little bit before we put it back on.
Yeah. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. We should pull up now. I back off a little bit. Back off a turn. That's probably too much, but I'd say so. Yeah, unscrewed another probably another turn. No, the other way. This part of it. Back it up the way you went. Yeah, there you go. Probably back it up one more. Put that castle nut back on there.
Alright, so we've got that mostly squared out. Hopefully it'll be pretty even to the other side. And we figured out why the the brakes don't work. Not even connected.
Dude, I can fix it. I'd go ahead and just. Yeah, you didn't transfer it because I wouldn't screw on it. Under your foot right there.
I would say that lined up pretty well. Looks pretty square. The other one won't 100% know until it's down on the ground, but
Go over there on the other side of the car like he was. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. I know the car's up in the air, the weight's unsprung. I am an ASE certified alignment tech, so I do know what I'm doing. This is just setting it in the garage to try to get somewhat close. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure on the front side and the back side of the tire on the same tread and see what we got. So we got almost 63, 62 and 7/8 on this. And 63 1/4. So basically what you're doing is you're getting it close enough to where you can drive it to the alignment shop and not completely shred your tires, because he's got brand new tires on there, so we don't want any issues. So and we'll let it down. We'll push it backwards and forwards, underweight, and see how far off it is. Then it may be real close, but so that's just setting the rear toe of the vehicle. You're either going to be towed in or towed out. Either way, you're going to scrub the tires, and you're going to ruin the tread right away. So basically that's all we're doing. We're just kind of garage setting the toes so we can, you know, get it to the alignment shop without destroying the tires. That's just an old school way of doing it. There's a million ways to do it, but you know, that's how I do it. So that don't mean it's right, but that's how you can do it if you need to.